Hi, it's Phil here. In this video we're going to be looking at the grouping feature in Advanced Filterable lists. All staff members can get at this, either through people and then down to the student lists area, or for teachers on the My Class page they will see the Advanced Filterable lists button there. Once on this page you can click the new button and you'll be presented with the 4 areas you can take data from. Now grouping is really handy for splitting up data across several pages. Best example is with classes. So you want to print the full school but split each page by class. So that's what we're going to do here. First of all, I open up the student details and I've pre-clicked the surname, first name, gender and school year level because I want that data on each student. And then down to membership details, I've opened up room and ticked name. These fields have then appeared on the page here in the order I want from left to right. And then on the right hand side, I've decided I want to sort the surname first and then the first name after that. But then further down, I've added a group by one against the room name field. And what this will do is then print the first room on the page and then the next room on the next page, etc. I can now add a name at the top here so I can save this and use it for the rest of the year. And a little tip to go along with that, when you first create a list with something like the room name on it, it defaults to the current date. That's very handy if you want to get a list back in time, but to keep this list and just use it very quickly and easily in the future, I've changed the as at date to way down at the end of the year. Once I've done this, I can now go down the bottom and click PDF, and then it will generate the list for us, usually by popping it down the bottom left-hand corner of your browser. And we can see here on the first page there is room 1. We scroll down, there's room 2, room 3, etc. Thanks for watching.